And now, First Warn 5 weather.
8:46 this morning, and the big story today is the temperatures. Take a look at your current temperatures, all of them sitting in the upper 70s, low 80s. It's 80 in Harlingen, Port Isabel, 79 in Brownsville and McAllen. Clear skies right now, and when we have clear skies like this, well, that means the temperatures are going to heat up. They're going to continue to heat up. Well, on the muggy meter, your dew point sitting on average at around 75 degrees. So we're in that very humid category. We're going to continue to climb to the top of that very humid category, not only today, but tomorrow and the next day. And well, you get the picture the next day after that. So we're going to stay with relatively high humidity for the next couple of days. Average high temperature for this time of year is around 92. So we're starting to heat up. We're starting to get into those summer temperatures. And today, really close to the record, high of around 97. I actually think that we're going to break the record. But look at Monday actually surpassing the record of 98, forecasted high of around 100 degrees. So we finally see that 100-degree mark forecasted for Monday, and that means summer is right around the corner. Let's take a look at the tropics, and well, here's where Alberto's sitting right now, and it's moving north at around 9 miles per hour. So a very slow moving storm, winds at around 40 miles per hour. Now by Sunday at around 2 p.m. it's already entered the Gulf of Mexico, 60-mile-per-hour winds. So that's when we start to really categorize it as a tropical storm. Now it makes landfall Tuesday at around 1 a.m. in the Panhandle of Florida, the Mississippi area, and then after that it turns into a low pressure system, which means it's just going to be thunderstorms. It starts to lose its shape and it brings a lot of rain. So Alberto's not going to get over here, and here's why. High pressure, this big ridge, it's going to be stubborn. It's not going to move. Notice how much rain Alberto is going to bring. So the biggest threat with Alberto right now is actually the rainfall. Is actually flash flooding because it's so slow moving, because it brings so much rain, and it actually just goes right in between these two high pressure systems. So the eastern part of Florida not getting as much rain as the western part, and then after that Alberta starts to disappear. It starts to turn into thunderstorms, and then we have clear skies throughout all of that. At the beach right now, if you're headed over that way for your holiday weekend, highs of around 88 and a little bit on the breezy side, winds at around 10 to 18 miles per hour. On the water, your next tide is a high tide at 11:56, and the seas are at 2 to 3 feet. A moderate rip current risk, so if you're getting into the water, make sure to be careful. Today, high of around 91. It's going to feel like it's around 103 because of the humidity. Look at the feels like temperature for tomorrow, or I'm sorry, on Monday. High feels like around 104. And for the next couple of days, we're actually going to go on a heating trend. We stay in that 100-degree mark on Tuesday, only cooling down to around 99 Wednesday and Thursday. And then on Friday, well, we hit the 101 mark. So we're finally actually surpassing that 100-degree mark with mostly sunny skies and breezy conditions. We're going to continue tracking those high temperatures for you, and that's your First Warn 5 forecast.